Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on YouTube, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you will enter to YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors. You can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.